Hi guys, this is Valerie. Welcome back to Dashley YouTube channel. And we continue diving into the science of A/B testing. So where can you actually apply A/B testing? I'm talking about the marketing A/B testing, the communication on the website, the communication with your customers through the marketing channels like email, live chat, or pop-up windows, or even some buttons on your landing page, or some CTAs on the banners on your website. So where can you actually apply A/B testing? Everywhere. Just make sure you can measure the results. So everywhere where you have metrics, like lead generation, that's where you can see how many leads you have collected, or probably the email with the CTA button, and definitely you can see how many people clicked on that button. So let's see a few cases that you can A/B test. That may be a message in the live chat on your website that engages a website visitor in the conversation. Hi, how can I help you? Or, it's a lovely day, isn't it? I'm here to help you. Also, a pop-up window that is very popular for A/B testing. Like you have a pop-up window which invites your website visitor to a sales section on your website, for example. And the pop-up windows can say, hey, 60% discount, don't miss it, or 60% discount running in 3 days. So just try these two options. Or probably you are into email marketing and you'd like to get people back to your website to complete the purchase. So if you are sending the emails with the CTA, like you have forgotten something in the cart on our website, or here are a few items that are waiting for you, that message can be also A/B tested. So all the parts of the customer communication on your website can be A/B tested. But just don't forget you need to measure it. It's the most important thing. So let's take a look at the real case. Like there's an e-commerce store with shoes, trainers actually. And that trainers online store has a sale right now. So indeed, their business aim right now is to attract as many customers to the sales section as possible. So that is a perfect time for split testing. But where to start? What are you going to test actually? You're going to test the value. It's not the button, it's not the call to action, it's the value that you're testing, because the value can bring you even more conversion rate than just a change in the CTA button. Well, it doesn't mean that you shouldn't pay attention to the CTA button. No, the first thing that you're going to test and make a perfect option for all the further communication is the value that you actually broadcast through that pop-up window. What I mean to say is that the value of trainers. So I mean to say that a value of trainers can be totally different for customers. Like one person wants to start jogging early in the morning. Another person wants to run a marathon. And just some other person needs shoes right now because it's party this evening and they have just nothing to put on. So right, here are just actually 3 options already. You can offer some trainers for champions, or you can also offer the trainers for safe and comfortable jogging mornings. And you can also say that, hey, here is a pair of perfect trainers for you right now, just today, the same day delivery with 80% discount. So these are actually 3 completely different values that may resonate with your customers. And once you find the value that resonates with them, you will see a big jump in the conversion rates. And after that, you can start A/B testing other parts of this communication, like the CTA button, or maybe even the picture and whatnot. So once again, an A/B test can hugely increase the conversion rate on your website. But just make sure you focus on 2 major things while doing a split test. First of all, you're able to measure the metrics. You're able to see the impact, actually the numbers of this A/B testing. And another thing is that you're actually, first of all, going to A/B test the value that you deliver to your customers. So you're not going to test the color of the button, you're going to test the value that resonates with your customers. So that is it, and in the next video I'm going to tell you about the tools that will help you to do a perfect, very easy A/B testing. See you! Alright, I've ordered new trainers a couple of days back just because they had really nice pink color. Yeah, that's my favorite one. Pink trainers.